Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. In this video, iftar dinner will be held for the month of Ramadan. Chicken rolls with gravy will be made in the oven as the main course. Whole chickens will be used to make this dish. Deboning process of chickens. It can be used in soup, rice or meals to make chicken bone broth by boiling the bones. After the chicken is opened boneless, cut a piece of chicken breast into the cavity in the middle. Chicken is being prepared boneless. You can watch it once again. Cut the wings, cut the fat pieces. Cut through the center of the chicken breast and cut along the sides. Press the thighs and remove the bone in the middle by pulling with your hand with the help of a knife. Don't throw bones. Remove thigh and arm bones. Cut the breast meat in half and add it to the middle. Seven chickens were prepared. It will be enough for 40 people. Preparing sauce for chicken marination. 5 spoons of yogurt for 5 kilograms of chicken. A little oil. Added 25 grams of salt, also 25 grams of salt to be added to the chicken. 1.5 tablespoons of hot pepper paste. 1 tablespoon of hot red pepper flakes. 1 spoon of cumin. 1 spoon of thyme. Less than 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Mix. Chop 1 head of garlic, add and mix. Lay the chicken on the kitchen counter and add salt. Add the sauce you prepared and cover the chickens with the sauce with your hands. Wrap the chickens in rolls after they are completely sauced. After preparing it this way, stretch it and leave it in the freezer for 2 hours. Add boiling water to chicken bones and wash the bones like this. Stir and pour this dirty water that comes out. Again add boiling water and boil the bones for 2 hours. Slice the onions. Add the sliced onions to the baking sheet. This tray size is suitable for cooking for 40 people. Slice the potatoes into rounds and add the sliced potatoes to the onions. Take the chicken out of the freezer and you can cut it into 6 or 7 pieces. Add the sliced chicken pieces to the vegetables. Cover the vegetables completely. The vegetables will be cooked with the water left by the chicken in this way. Bake in the oven for 1 hour or 70 minutes at 170 degrees. Add thyme on it and it's ready to be served. Now you can watch the making of wheat soup. 1 bowl of wheat soaked in cold water 1 day before. Wash the wheat twice. Boil and cook wheat. Thin the wheat a little with a mixer. Add sunflower oil to the pot. Add 3 cups of flour. Adjust the consistency by adding oil, mix the flour and fry. Add boiling water. Add bone broth. Add salt. Add sugar. Add cold milk. Add wheat. The soup is ready. You can use some chicken stock to make spaghetti. Fill the large pot with water and add salt. After the water boils, add the spaghetti pasta piece by piece. Boil for 8 minutes, stirring occasionally.
Spaghetti.
Add cold water and wait 8 minutes. Add oil for spaghetti sauce. Add tomato paste. Add salt. Add the spaghetti pasta to the strainer and wait for the water to drain. Mix in pot. Prepare boiled beans for Paz. Crush the garlic. Add tahini. Add cold water. Add lemon juice. Add the garlic. Mix. Add grape vinegar. Add olive oil. Add salt. Add a little more water according to the consistency. Add pomegranate molasses. Add boiled beans. Add the tahini sauce you prepared. Add finely chopped onion. Add finely chopped tomatoes. Chop boiled eggs and add.
Bak görüyor musun? Bak okumuşum hiç. Bak görüyor değil mi?
Okumaya gerek yok yani, değil mi?
Add chopped parsley. Add olive oil.
Zeytinyağı pahalı, sıvı yağ dök.
Sıvı yağ yok.
Tamam mı abi?
Afiyet olsun diyor. Afiyet olsun.
You can follow us on Instagram and Facebook. If you want to donate, you can specify in the comments. Don't forget to click the like button. See you again in a new video. Goodbye.